So we're back. Let's take a look around to the wonderful world of heavy rain. We're back with Mr. Depressed. How do I walk again? Here we go. I'm just gonna practice my walking for a moment. Roll the buttons. Yeah, I know. I'm not leaving him behind. Nope, nope. Heavy rain! Yes. Let's go. We're always late. Of course not. What kid does? It's not like this is easy. For anybody, really. Your fucking kid, id. Hi, Sean. What's this do? Oh, seatbelt. That's important. Okay, let's go, kiddo. Am I driving? This is a bad idea if I'm driving. I'm on the sidewalk. Oh, no, I'm not driving. It's like if I'm driving, we're in trouble. Me driving is never a good idea unless you want the car to be banged up completely. Rain, 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 rain. Always with the rain. Whee! Blurp. Little beat up car. Ooh, in my beat up apartment. Nice. Love it. Is that mail? Oh, excuse me. Nice TV though. Kid go straight to the TV. That's typical. Poor kid. Uh, uh, uh. No, we're gonna get the kid a snack. A snack, homework, dinner, bed. Okay. Let's see. Shake, 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 shake your booty. Because that's great. I do that too. Put it back. Excuse me, yeah, fuck me. Where is a snack? What's in here? Oh, this is a bathroom. Very nice, very nice. I don't care. What time is it? Let's check the time. Time. Tell me the time. Oh, it's like 5. We need snack time. Kiddo? Okay, you going to the bathroom? Okay. Let me find you your snack. Nope. Where is his snack? What am I supposed to be doing? what's in here? Is there snacks in here? Huh. Who's that? Let's go see. We need a snack. Hey, kiddo. You want a snack? Let's go. You want an apple? Because I haven't stocked my fridge. Let's sit down. That stupid grin. Get that stupid grin off. Haven't we seen this before? Like, it took a long time to figure out what the fuck's going on. Ooh, some pirate dude. Nice. Oh, we got smashed. Fucker. Ooh, there's some people walking by. What are they doing over there? Wow. Okay. You watch your show. I'm gonna check the time. You got 10 minutes. Bless you, kid. Homework. Gonna walk around the house again. Okay, seize the clock. Hey, kiddo. Kid. Homework? Okay. At least clean up after yourself, kid. Okay. Wait. Oh, Jesus Christ, come on. There. Can I turn... Is there another light switch over here somewhere? Uh... let's go upstairs. Ooh, what's in here? Let's turn all the lights on. No. That was shitty. Okay, we're going upstairs. Upstairs, 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 upstairs. Find some medicines. There we go. What's in here? There we go. Yes, good hygiene. Good job. Let's go. Why is it awfully quiet now? Oh, there you are. I heard you sneeze. Oh, Jesus. Hey, kiddo. Can you pick up your apple core? You sure? Yeah, you wanna... Then we're gonna do homework. We're not gonna get to bed. I'm a horrible parent. Horrible. Pizza. No, pizza, man. Yes, pizza. We like pizza. Just throw it in. Oh, that was quick. Nice. Wouldn't that be hot? I thought it was like, just, you're not gonna. Great. Do you want orange juice? Actually, no, I drank from it. Are you coming, kid? Okay, good. I have some, I want some. Let's watch him eat. Because that's not creepy at all. Actually, no, it's not. He's a parent. It's understandable. Okay, then we're doing homework. I really can't believe it took me almost an hour to go upstairs and come back down. Done? Okay, now can you do your homework? Hey, 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 hey. Can you do your homework now, kid? Please? So your mom don't yell at me. We're just skipping home. Oh, no. You wanna play something? Okay, I'll come back. You're not even done your homework yet. I'm gonna should I do the dishes? I'm gonna go outside quickly. Life fucking sucks. I'm just kidding. Nobody wants to spend time with me. Da, 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 da. I can't be out here too long because the kids gotta go to bed. Just want to come out here and just take a look. I'm outside. Okay. Should be at o'clock now. We didn't do homework. Not my problem. Can we put the pizza in the fridge at least, or can I eat the rest of it? We didn't do homework. Yep, come on, turn it back around. Hey, kid. Ugh. Alright. 8:30. 8:30, man, and you're going to bed. Why is there so many clocks? I guess we were delayed a little bit, so I get it, I get it, I get it. Oh. Let's do this. Come on, take this shit out. You're just gonna leave it in there? Dude, you gotta take it out. Come on, take the clothes out, take the clothes out. Don't just look at it. Take it out, take it out. We got to do the laundry. Okay, whatever. I tried. I'm just fucking wasting time. 8:30, 10 minutes, kid. I wish I could just yell at him and be like, 10 minutes. Bedtime. Time's up. 5 more minutes, okay. We'll go upstairs. This would literally be me as a parent. Actually, no, it would be more like the hand, when it looks like this on the clock, it's bedtime. Just come get me. La 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 la. We're gonna go downstairs, back again. Here, look at some stuff. Ooh. Ooh. Don't look at that. Yeah, you and me, kid. I don't want to open the window. He's just gonna get a cold even more than he already does. There. Okay. What's in this room? Oh, is this my room? Ah, shit. I gotta go get the kid to bed. 9 is fine. That is horrible. There we go. Close that. I don't want to see outside. I guess I should go close his window too, I guess. What's in that room? There. We shall get ready for bed. Okay, it's probably like 9:30 by now. The way time works in this game. Okay, kid. God damn it, that's gonna freak me out every time. Okay. No. I've already let you stay up an extra hour. Yes. There, I let you stay up an extra hour. You should be grateful. Ugh, Jesus Christ, kid. You could at least clean up yourself. I can't even touch it. I'm gonna go explore my room. The bathroom? Okay. Good job, kid. What's in here? Oh. No, we haven't touched this in a while. Have we? Huh. Hey. Shush. Poor Daddy-O. So traumatic. It would be very traumatic. Very, 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 very. Why would you keep the remote right there? Like, seriously. Get rid of them. You put them away. You lock them up. So you never have to look at them again. Oop, oop, ba-da-da-ba-da. Okay, are you in here, kid? Oop. Okay. It's in, okay, 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 okay. Okay, I'll go get him. I know where he is. I already found him. Just give me a second. I'm pretty sure that's the teddy. I don't know. That's the only thing that looks like a teddy. I don't really know. This is the laundry room? Yes, 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 yes. You want this critter. There, we got him. Stupid smug look. We gotta do the laundry still. It's gonna bother me. It's like, we need to do the laundry, even though I'm horrible at doing my own laundry. Up we go. Okay, kid. We got your thing. Hmm. Mm-hmm. I like that dinosaur poster. 'Cause I am. That's never gonna happen. It kind of was. I'm the one that wasn't really watching him. I don't think it matters. He's gonna blame himself anyway. Gonna keep this kid safe. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do everything to protect this kid. The one remaining one. Okay, now what do I do? Uh-oh. What the fuck? Is he having like a panic attack? Don't fall down the stairs, dude. Oh. Hey, Daddy-O. You don't look so good. What the fuck? Oh? You need to get home? Like now. Shit. Why do you have an origami animal in your hands? I guess it is kind of like the thing about this heavy rain. We haven't dived into it yet, though. Is that supposed to be important? Ooh. Hi, dude. You have a funny nose. 12. Oh, inches of water? Who's this dude? Hmm. Who are you? I don't know. Hmm. Interesting. I think Ethan. Ethan's the dad's name. He's got some issues. Well, I think any parent would. But still. He lost time. That's terrifying. Now his kid's alone at home. That's a problem.